Hello everybody from YouTube. This is Roger from Roger's Reviews, and here we're at Tree Life Tree Service, Tree Life 1 584 Tree, and we also have a metal fab shop back here. What we're doing is we just rebuilt the cylinders on this grapple. This grapple is over 10 years old, a lot of wear and tear. We cut it apart and basically our welder rebuilt all the bushings, cut everything out, and then put a solid piece of steel rod all the way through to strengthen it up. A lot of times before they were just short pieces. If you make it one solid piece, it's a lot stronger. And when you redo all the bushings, basically it resets everything, so your bite's a little bit different. And when we use this grapple, what's nice about it, when you're picking up the little bit of debris in the rake piles, you can actually grab almost all the debris and there's hardly any raking left to do. So when this was reset and all these pins and everything were rebuilt, the bite changed. So now it's like a brand new grapple, but the bite was set up for when it was wore out. So now what we're doing, the bite comes down and there's a little bit of gap here. So what we're doing is we're filling this in, and we're creating a bite to where there's no gap, so that way when we go to pick up the debris, none will fall out. And we're also strengthening the grapple. We're also going to put in a piece of flat steel right here. So also too, there's a lip here, so when we go to dump the debris, we have a hang up here, so we're going to fill this in as well. And what we're doing here, we had some scrap flat bar around the shop, so what he's doing is making small pieces and then he's filling it in, and this way it makes one solid piece all the way across, and then when we bite down, it'll be a nice pinch point right there, so we can get every single bit of debris possible to make cleanups easier for the guys. So we're about halfway through the process, and we ran out of wire, so it lasted about a year, so that's not bad. We do a lot of welding around the shop, so we get the biggest spool possible. We didn't realize we'd run out that fast because we use this welder a lot. And this is the one I did the video on. It's the IRONMAN 230 from Hobart. Excellent welder. We use it a lot. As you can see, we went through a huge spool of wire. I think it was like 30 pounds. Quickly. So this is Roger with Roger's Reviews. We're going to go ahead and finish this grapple up, and we'll get back with you and do some demonstrations and see how it works. Thanks again. If you like this video, please subscribe, and we'll make you a lot more. Thanks.